Greetings everyone. In this tutorial I would like to show you how to write a letter in Act Premium Cloud. So I'm going to go up and click on Write, and once I get here I want you to observe that there's something called Download Word Integration. This is a step you need to take before you have the ability to write a letter using Act in Microsoft Word. But allow me to show you something else before we even get to that point. I'm going to come up to Tools. I'm going to scroll down to Preferences, and when I get here, I want to draw your attention to this option right here. It's called Word Processor. I'm going to click on that. When you purchase Act Premium Cloud, it comes with its own built-in word processor. If I click on this drop down right here, you'll see I could use the Act Word Processor. Now, this word processor isn't really that good. If you're going to really work with a word processor, you really want to use Microsoft Word. But for those of you that don't have Word, this is an option. But in this case, we're going to use Microsoft Word. And if you decide to use Microsoft Word, you have to download the integration that works with Word and Microsoft Outlook. So I'm not going to do that here. But having said that, I'm going to click Cancel, because this is the first step you have to consider when you are working in Word or writing a letter. So the next step, I'm going to go back and go Write, and I'm going to go click on Letter. What will happen that's a little bit different is in the past, what you would be used to seeing happen is that Microsoft Word would pop up. If you're an old time or a long time Act user, I should say, not old time, but long time. Over here, this box popped up, and I'm going to click on Open. Now, when that opens up, you're going to see it's going to go through a process. It's going to create the document. So now what it's going to do is open up Microsoft Word in a second so that you can actually see this document being created. And there you go. Here's the document. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click this, and that is the letter. So the purpose here is now you start typing in, the letter content right here. You can print this, you can save it, you can do whatever you want with it. So that's how you write a letter. Now I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to go Write, and you'll see there are things such as a letter, a memo, a fax cover page. I don't remember the last time I've done that, but we can create templates, we can edit templates, and we can do a mail merge. So these are some of the things you can do with inside Act using the word processor or the Write feature. It's the kind of thing I'd recommend get in and play with it a little bit before you actually have to do it. The next video I'll do is how to do a mail merge. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.